The Kia's refinement continues to impress more than halfway through our 40,000 mile test. With low levels of noise, vibration, and harshness in the cabin, a generally placid ride, and well-controlled body motions, the infotainment interface still garners kudos for being easy to learn and even easier to use. Nearly every function is where you'd expect it to be, with clear buttons and icons that are sized right for on-the-go operation. The interior has worn well, with the only real sign of US busy life being the glossy leather on the steering wheel and the front seat cushions, and we're still happy with our decision to spec the smooth 3.3-liter V6, which offers plenty of power for merging and passing while never seeming strained. One can't say the same for lesser Sorentos with the 2.4-liter four-cylinder or the turbocharged 2.0-liter 4. The Sorento remains a pleasant road trip vehicle, with the comfortable seats and well-mannered chassis helping to ward off fatigue. And while it's an increasingly common feature, the reclining and sliding second row gives occupants there plenty of stretch-out room while offering flexibility when we need to call on the third row in the cargo area. Our observed fuel economy has ticked upward by 1 mpg to 22 thanks to plenty of highway cruising. New complaints since our last update were few. One driver complained about the awful texture of the lower, mostly hidden half of the dashboard, while another said the passenger seat belt sometimes bangs against the B-pillar, and those with minions who populate the third row are occasionally annoyed when they discover that only the passenger side second row seat tips forward to let those rear seat riders in and out. Our Montana bureau chief, John Phillips, reported strange new wind noise emanating from the top of the